purpose of automating at Killer Brownie is to make our team members' jobs easier. So we look at specific areas on the line that are more complex, that are harder, more physically demanding, and we look at ways to automate that. I think sometimes automation gets a bad rap for taking jobs. We take a different approach here. We look for ways to make our team members better and then have them either be operators of that equipment or move to an easier place in the factory. There obviously has to be an ROI component to that. So we look at labor savings and increased throughput to calculate that ROI. So walking through the production floor now in both baking and packaging, it's fun to think back a few short years ago when I started. There were 8 of us. There's 127 now at Killer Brownie. It was all manual. We were literally hand scooping batter out of Hobart bowls into pans. Now the automation has not only increased throughput, but it's made people's jobs a lot easier. So the combination of that really builds a solid foundation for somebody to have a really good career here at Killer Brownie.